Arnold Innovations reversers mount to the combine permanently, and they're wherever the threshing component you want to unplug is. When you want to use it, you will pick it up, you will move it across, use the retaining device to hold it on so it doesn't fall off. Go to your spool valve, turn on the shut-off valve, run the spool valve, unplug your combine. Then you want to shut off that shut-off valve. That reverser can no longer move, which means it's safe. You remove the reverser, put it back in its non-working position. You can get back in your combine and you're good to go. For more information on our Arnold Innovations reversers, go to thunderstruckag.com.